What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, if you look at the crypto market and you are like heavily invested into crypto, you understand that there is a thing called sleeper plays. Now, when I typically look at sleeper plays and sleeper coins, sleeper projects, um, I look at everything where it's more about just what you can gain in the short term, the long term, whether it's a meme coin or it has adoption or it has an ETF or whatever. I look at those and I'll say these are sleeper plays. But if I look at true sleeper plays, they're plays that something has a massive amount of utility or connection or belief system, and people are overlooking them. And I think I have three plays in the top 100 in the crypto market that are definitely overlooked. Have a little bit of popularity, maybe, but definitely not seeing it in the form of volume. But they are definitely overlooked, in my opinion. So, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go through three of these altcoin plays. There are plenty that are out there that are overlooked, but I think these are overlooked the most. Three plays that are sleeper plays, that are plays that are overlooked in the crypto market today. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I have one for Twitter, one for Patreon. I also have a link for Margex. If you guys want to trade up to a 100x leverage, feel free to do so over there. You can trade 100x leverage on Bitcoin, 50x leverage on XRP, 50x leverage on Jasmine Coin, 25x leverage on meme coins. Feel free to check out that platform. And just to show you a little bit of a glimpse of what I'm gaining, like these are positions that I put through on July the 5th. All of these on July the 5th. I've already taken three bits of profit from different positions. One full position, the other one's 50%. And you could see some like XRP, which is a 50x leverage that I have. I'm up 1,300%. So just to give you a little glimpse of what you have there. And if you are not comfortable with leverage trading, I do have a trading strategy open up here, which is currently ranked 17th by the leaderboard. I'm up 20% right now. So if you want to be a part of that, go ahead and follow. But I'm more interested in people learning how to trade for themselves. So if you can jump into it and trade for yourself and become profitable, feel free to let me know what you decided to buy, how profitable you are, all of that stuff in the comment section. But like I said, we need to talk about sleeper plays in the crypto market. Does this mean you absolutely need to buy them? No, you can make whatever decision you want to make, and sleeper plays go from person to person and what you see is going to happen with that play. The first sleeper play that I want to mention in the crypto market is Kronos. Kronos is one that I've talked about plenty of times. It does have quite a bit of popularity when it comes to views, or it did have popularity when it comes to views, but I think people are sleeping on it because they're overlooking it based on like a comparison with Binance, a comparison with BNB. And when you look at the two, you see BNB that's up to a massive level price wise. There's also market cap wise, and you see the level of volume that Binance does and all of that there. And you're like, well, CRO or crypto.com doesn't really do that level of volume. However, it doesn't even have the exchange open to U.S. residents, U.S. individuals. So when it comes to having that ability to trade as a U.S. citizen, I would love that, and it creates way more volume there, and it makes it more of a tier one and S tier exchange when that does happen. That will happen in due time. I know they're still working through the kinks. It was supposed to launch a while ago, but obviously with all the issues with the SEC, they want to clear things up and what can be tradable, what can't be tradable, all of that stuff there before they just open it up to U.S. citizens there. But we're sitting at an 8 cent price point, and I feel like this is a steal price point from where it was, even comparison to 15 cents. It's a steal price point. I decided to invest more at these levels, which I currently have 300,000, over 300,000 CRO, and it's currently at a value of $26,848.43. Which again, I'm down a decent amount on this play, but I still 100% believe in this. And the reason why I say this is a sleeper play, a major sleeper play, look at the level of the market cap that it's at, and then look at the volume. You see $6.7 million worth of volume at a 2.3, 2.4 billion dollar market cap. And we all know the reason why it has low volume. CRO has definitely a lot more holding strength than any other position that's out there. There's so many benefits for holding CRO that it makes no sense to even transact on the negative side or the positive side. You just want to hold it for the long term because you want to gather the extra CRO. I'm gaining some from rebates. I'm gaining some from my staking percentages. I'm gaining some from the transactions that happen with the cards. I'm gaining some from, pushing it over to the DeFi wallet as well. The Rewards Plus program, just so many different benefits in holding CRO and staking CRO that it's just a no-brainer. But it doesn't see the level of popularity, it doesn't see that level of volume, and people are overlooking it because of things like BNB or Binance. So in my opinion, definitely a sleeper play. I think people need to look heavily into this and, be a part of it. It's one of those positions that you just need to own. The next play that I want to talk about is Cosmos. I feel like Cosmos is a part of everything, but really hasn't seen the level of impact that it should. If we look at the last day, it's up 4%, which is great. We look at the last 7 days, it's up 6%. The last month, it's down 18%. And the last year, it's down 32%. This definitely can see so much more growth, right? It already got to a level of $14, did decrease from that level as everything else pulled back as well. But seeing $87 million worth of volume and a $2.4 billion market cap, I would expect to see a lot more here. The popularity just isn't there. I currently have $2,500 worth of it. I just honestly want to have more. I profited from Cosmos twice. I invested in, it got up to a level of 40 dollars or so. Ended up selling at those points. I sold a decent amount. Actually, I sold all of it. It ended up decreasing down to $21. I then bought more. It ended up increasing back up to 40. I then sold as well. And then when it got back down here, I bought again. So I'm basically playing this game to where I'm kind of timing a little bit, but I believe it can go a lot further than this point, which if we look at the market cap, that was only a $10 billion market cap. Cosmos should easily be a $50+ billion market cap coin, 100%, in my opinion, right? And it currently stands at a $2.4 billion market cap. So we're definitely going to see a lot more of a price gain, definitely going to see a lot higher of a balance for at least what I am holding here and what I decide to gain, because $6 is a steal price for that as well. So another sleeper play, a lot of things that it's involved in. I mean, you're looking at major amounts of use cases. When you're talking about, other projects that are also built on Cosmos. So anyways, let's get into the next play, which is the last one before we end this video, which is Litecoin. I think Litecoin is a major sleeper play. Last bull run, this got to a high of like 500, I want to say, $412.96. It currently sits at a 70-cent price point, and I believe this can go way further than where that stood there. It's up 1% today. We're also looking at it up 10% or 11% for the last 7 days. It is down 11% for the last month, and the last year, it's down by 30%. You can see that these levels here of like 60 to 70 cents, where it did hit 60 cents here, is a steal price. Where we stand here is a steal price. We're talking about a year, and you have low prices. The lowest price that you saw, what was it, 17? No, it was like $40, $45 or so. But you're seeing insanely low prices here compared to where it's been. It's been to $350 plus, $350+ multiple times. And this is a no-brainer to say that this is going to get back there. And again, this is only at a $23 billion market cap. Litecoin should be worth way more than that. In my opinion, over $100 billion, and definitely be a major player in the game. And we will see. We will see how that plays out as time goes on. Currently sits at a $5.2 billion market cap with $273 million worth of volume. As you see Bitcoin and Ethereum move, last bull run, you saw Litecoin that was right on their tail, right? That was ranked fifth, and then ranked fourth when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Right now, it's ranked 20th, so it's not moving with like Bitcoin and Ethereum heavily, but we want to see a lot more growth as you see Bitcoin get to all-time highs, as you see Ethereum start to reach some of these levels of $4,000, $5,000. Absolutely, you should see Litecoin make those moves as well. BNB's making a move. Solana's making a move, right? They're up to 50 plus $billion market cap levels, and Litecoin hasn't found a way to break that level of even $10 billion market cap. So it's definitely a play that I feel like is being slept on. And there are some other plays that are out there, but I think these are plays, in my opinion, that's in my portfolio that I feel like are sleeper plays. You can see I have $6,725 worth of Litecoin at this very moment. And if we're just looking at the all-time high or getting to a $23 billion market cap, or let's say a $20 billion market cap, we're multiplying that by 4. So, and that's just there. I believe it's going to go a lot further than that. And then a $20 billion market cap or 25 billion, I believe it's going to be 100 plus. So anyways, let me know your opinion of what you think of these sleeper plays. Do you have any sleeper plays that are in your portfolio? I don't want to talk about meme coins. I want to talk about utility sleeper plays, plays that have major impact on the crypto market and the belief system in utilizing crypto, meaning that the people that are traditional investors only believe in things that have a use case to it, that have a reason to buy it. Kind of like going to a business and buying a product. There's a reason to go there and buy that thing, right? There's a reason to come here and hold this cryptocurrency. Guys, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for Margex, for Twitter, for Patreon. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.